Hey guys, so how many times have you gone to Instagram on your computer and then you realize that you cannot post from there? There's not much you can do from there, just like, looking at a post, you can like, you can comment, and that's pretty much it. Um, but there's a little hack that I found recently, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So the only thing is that two things. First of all, you can only post JPEGs, and number two, you have to have Google Chrome. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Google Chrome, and we're gonna go to the account where you want to post, and from there, we are gonna do a right click with our mouse, and we're gonna click on Inspect, and then you're gonna see the developer tools. Now, you're gonna see this tiny icon on the upper left corner of this menu, and we're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna see um, Instagram as you would see it on your phone. Now you have to make sure that you have it on responsive, and we are gonna refresh. Now you see the option down here to upload. So we are gonna do a quick upload just for the sake of the tutorial. Now, as you can see, you can still apply some filters to your photos, but you cannot edit. So the edit menu is not there. We're gonna click next, and we're gonna write hello, and then you can share from there. Now, you cannot also save it as a draft. So it's something that you really have to do in the moment. It's something urgent or something like that, so you can do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this is helpful, and yeah, just keep dropping by my account whenever you want, and then maybe you'll find something cool. Okay, have a good one. Bye.